Molly Shaffner here. Welcome. It's so good to see you. I have been absent a while, and thank you to everyone that reached out to me. Guys, I'm fine. I took a little summer break, a summer vacation, so to speak, and I didn't go anywhere. Right here is where I spent my summer vacation. I just needed a little time off, a little update. I like to keep my channel very positive, and in the past few months, we had the loss of 2 of our dogs and our cat, and it just started weighing on me so heavily that I didn't feel like making a video. I hope that you can understand. We are all fine. I know many of us are kind of in a funk because our lives have changed so very much with everything that's going on in the world, but we are fine. Thank you again to everyone that has reached out to me. I want to make videos, and so I am challenging myself to start making videos and share with you all the clothes that I am buying for myself and buying to sell in my Poshmark closet. Everything behind me, you see all of that? That is a gigantic haul. I went thrifting last week, and I will be filming everything on that rack very soon. So please make sure that you are subscribed if you want to see all the clothes that I am picking up. Today, I have another stitch fix. And if you have been following me, you know that my last few fixes have not been dynamite. They have not been very good. Now, one of the reasons I think is because I have put on some extra weight. I'm not even sure what size I am. Now, I'm doing something about that. I have hired a trainer and I am working out. I am eating right. I've lost 6 pounds. Yeah, but still, there's a long way to go. So I did not cancel my stitch fix. I thought about canceling for a while, maybe till fall or till I had taken off a little weight, but I do have a style pass, which is an annual pass. I pay a one-time fee to receive all the fixes that I want. So they sent one. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here is my box. This is the fix. So it looks like there's another shoe bag in here. This is the bundle. Something fell out. I have this. This is the bundle. Okay, we've got some floral, and it looks like some denim. Ooh, the green looks interesting, and a shoe bag, and whatever it is very lightweight. Of course, I do have all the information that I need to purchase any of the items in this fix, and I don't have a mailer. You know what that means? I'm going to have to keep everything. Let's try it on. Okay, I've tried everything on. It's warm, and it is going to storm here, so I'm losing my light quickly. I almost forgot, though. My Fair Trade Friday earrings are here, and they've been here for a minute, and I wanted to open them. I normally open them with a stitch fix, so with every Fair Trade Friday, there usually is a card that talks about the artisans that made your jewelry, and also a little description of the earrings that I got. And these are the polymer earrings, and the value is $18.72. Now, this is a monthly subscription, Fair Trade Friday, Earring of the Month Club. I have no affiliation. My friend gives these to me, and I leave all the information in the description box if you are interested in getting an earring subscription of your own. Let me get my scissors. Okay, I got them out, and this is what they look like. Let me take them out of the card so there won't be a glare. Oh, those are cool. Okay, this is what they look like. Oh, there is a glare. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to put them on, and we'll see how they look. Hopefully they match my t-shirt. Did you guys check out my t-shirt, Inspire Love? Okay, hold on. Okay, so there you have it. There are my, what is it, August already. These are my August Earring of the Month Club, and they're pretty cool. I'm going to insert a picture so you can see what they look like without the glare. But yeah, they're kind of cool. And now I feel like I'm really dressed because I have my earrings on. Okay, on to Stitch Fix. I have my invoice, and Guys, my fixes have been so expensive. Now, I did up my price points with Stitch Fix because I was hoping to get a better selection. I don't know that that has really worked for me, but this one is pricey. I think it's pricey for what I received. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. The total of all 5 pieces is $373. Now, if I keep everything, I get a discount of 25%, and that's $93.25. That brings the total to $279.75. It just seems really high for 5 pieces of clothing, and nothing in this fix is a designer piece. Well, you be the judge. I'll show you all of the clothes and the try on. Let's get into it. The first piece that my eye was drawn to was, you guessed it, the green and white printed top. This one is by the brand Magnolia Grace, and I've heard that brand. I don't think I've ever tried it. This is called the Mariana Square Neck Knit Top. This is a polyester top with 3/4 length sleeves. It's almost tunic length. You know what? I wish this one were a little bit bigger. Maybe it's the current weather. It's very warm where I am right now, so this felt very hot and clingy on. I love the colors. What Irish girl doesn't want to wear a green and white tunic top like this? It just felt a little heavyweight. Now, this is the least expensive piece in the fix. This is only $54. I like it. I don't know. I'm thinking I would be more comfortable if I sized up. And this is also, to me, this screams springtime. This would be a great piece to wear in April, not necessarily the fall season that we're going into. I don't know. You guys know I wear color year round, and I'm really, really drawn to this piece. What did you think about it? Do you think it's a little tight? Maybe I should size up in it? I don't know. The next top I tried is Daniel Rain. I'm a big fan of Daniel Rain tops, and I've purchased many of them through Stitch Fix. Although, I think I've mentioned this before, you can get these at 1/3 of the price at Nordstrom's Rack, and this is sold in discount department stores, and this one is $64, which seems expensive to me. It's not really a colorway that I normally am drawn to, but I think this is really lovely. It does have almost smocking detail up at the very top. It's got some ruffle detail. It's so feminine. Pin tucking. Can you see that pin tucking in the front there? And mother of pearl buttons. It's all around a really pretty, well-constructed polyester top. So it is a little warm, although it's basically sleeveless. So this is a nice top to wear where I live in the spring and summer. I like this one. $64. Do I like it that much? We'll see. My stylist sent a dress, and I want to cover the brand. And I just want you to, okay. Look at the dress. Who do you think made this dress? Doesn't this look like a Wisp dress? I think it does. And Wisp is a brand that Stitch Fix sells. I don't know if it's exclusively Stitch Fix, but no, this is Michael Kors. And this is a polyester dress, a printed dress. The thing I really like about this dress that's different than a Wisp dress is that the length on this one is perfect. I like the length on this dress. I also like the colors. I think this is a great dress to wear in the summertime. This is 100% polyester, so it is a little bit warm, but it can be worn basically year-round. If you wore a cardigan or a blazer over this one, you could wear this one year-round. It does have a hidden zip in the back and the branded zipper there. I like this dress a lot. $98. I don't know about that price tag either for a Michael Kors dress. That might be the going rate, but I'm not that crazy about it. In fact, when I saw it, when I pulled it out, I was like, Now, when I put it on, I did enjoy wearing it. So I do think that this dress would get worn if I was to purchase it, which I might purchase it because I think this fix is pretty good. Now the next piece, now this is the one piece I think I could live the rest of my life without this piece, although it's as cute as it can be. This is a moto jacket by Liverpool. And I like Liverpool. It's a really stretchy moto jacket. It is in a coral color and it's a denim jacket, and I'm not that crazy about the asymmetrical zip. I prefer the zip right down the center, but this is pretty trendy, I guess, and it's in last year's Pantone color of the year. It's a coral color, although it's a nice fun pop of color. This one is $98. What is the name of it? This one is just Stitch Fix. I don't see a tag. Oh, here's our Stitch Fix tag. This one is Bradford Moto denim jacket in coral, $98. It's very heavyweight. And that's one of the things that stops me from wearing denim jackets on the regular. I like lightweight, stretchy denim jackets. And this one feels very substantial. So it would take you into the colder months in the fall, and I mean where I live even into winter time. I'm just not that crazy about it. No, it's $98 and my discount is $93. So if I keep the other 4 pieces, it makes sense. Pay the extra $5 and keep this heavyweight coral jacket. It's beautiful. And I know some of you are going to say, keep everything and sell this one on Poshmark. But the truth is, to sell a jacket like this on Poshmark, I'm only going to make about $35, brand new with tags. So that's not always the best logic about keeping an extra piece. So, okay, let me share the shoes with you. Okay, the shoes, guys. The shoes are so cute. Look at these shoes. Okay, aren't they adorable? These are comfort shoes. These are Bandolino, and these are a orange suede leather espadrille flat slip-on, cute as can be. I really like these. I'm a big fan of orange. They were slipping off my feet, and I didn't get that, and I just noticed that they are an 8.5, and I am actually a size 8, so that's why. And with leather, they stretch out more. I mean, they're not going to get tighter on me, so I could wear them with socks, but that would look ridiculous. These are so cute. They're $59, and I think that is a very reasonable price for a all leather, well, it's not all leather, but a leather upper, man-made sole, super cute shoe. So I like everything. The exception is, and not the exception, I do really like the denim jacket. I just don't know that I need it. It didn't excite me. I can't see myself reaching for it. But the other 4 pieces I think would be nice additions to my wardrobe. What do you guys think about this fix? I think my stylist did a great job. I did get a new stylist, so that's awesome. Hopefully I can stick with this one and get some more great fixes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done that already. I would love to see you in my next video. Guys, let me know what you think about this fix. Leave a comment because it's always nice to discuss the clothing with you before I purchase it. And I'm not going to purchase right away. I have to order a return mailer if I decide to return anything, but maybe my stylist was so confident that this was going to be a 5 for 5 fix that she said just skip the return mailer. What do you think about that? Guys, thank you so much for showing up for me. It's always a pleasure to spend a little time with you. I will see you in the next one. Hey, come back if you want to see all those clothes, okay? We'll see you next time. Blessings to all of you.